Hey, birdie. You alright? There you go. Hi. Hi, pretty bird. Here, I'm gonna move, okay? Come here, birdie. Here, I'm gonna try and maybe I can pick it up. Hey, honey. Come here. Yep, come here. Hi, birdie. Come here. Hi, pretty bird. You need a hand? Here, you're okay. Hi. You alright? Do you think I can grab you? Huh? Hi. You gonna come here? You're okay. Oh, wrong way. Come here. You're okay. Come here. Right there, right there. Almost. Oh, poor guy. I wish I had my boots or a net. We have a net. Stepping on glass right now.
Wow. I think that's going to be a
Well, praise God. Happy we got the bird out. Say ta-ta for now.